Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Google Drive for desktop. You can install Google Drive on Windows 10 PC as well as on Mac OS. So let's get started. When you install Google Drive, you can choose folders on your computer to sync with Google Drive and access all of your content directly from your PC or Mac without need to log in Google Drive from browser each time. First open any web browser. It could be Chrome or Firefox. Now go to Google and search for Google Drive for desktop. Click the first link that says download Google Drive. On the home page you will find download Drive for desktop button. Just click on it to download Google Drive setup. Now you will get a pop-up to download the setup file. Just click on Save File button and Google Drive setup file will start downloading on your machine. The file size is around 275 MB, so it will take around 2 to 5 minutes to download the entire file to your computer. So let's wait for the file to get downloaded and then we are going to install Google Drive on our PC. Once the download gets over, just click on the file to open. And now we are going to install Google Drive on our PC. Simply follow the on-screen instruction to install Google Drive. So the very first option is whether you want to add the application shortcut to your desktop. If you want to add the shortcut to your desktop, then just check the box. I'm going to keep this option as it is. Click on Install button. And it will start installing Google Drive on PC. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes for installation to get over. So let's wait for the installation to get completed. So as you can see, the Google Drive has successfully installed on PC. So here you just need to sign in with browser. So just click on sign in with browser button and then you need to log in with your Google account. So simply enter your email ID and password to log in to your Google account. And you will get the message as success. We have successfully installed Google Drive on our machine. Now click on File Explorer on your PC. Here as you can see, the new drive has been created that says Google Drive. Just click on it. And from here you can access all the files residing in your Google Drive account. So you don't need to access Google Drive or you don't need to sign in to Google Drive online every time. So this is the easiest way to access Google Drive files on your PC. So that was all about how to download and install Google Drive for desktop. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.